I think that for most businesses holding, Bitcoin on the balance sheet, might be diving right into it and taking on a few variables at once. But I think you're exactly right. Stablecoin is this really interesting first step, where in many ways it's very familiar. It's a dollar. It's tied to it. You're not taking on. Most people don't have experience with foreign exchange and forex and even other fiat currencies, let alone cryptocurrencies. And you start to hold these different variables concept, and you start to, I think, see actually there's something different and unique, and you can start getting things where the obvious of, okay, there's higher yield back into dollars. I can do this. This is great. And so it's a better use of capital. But I think you're right. You also get these other side effects as you see how easy and simple it is to move funds in this manner, to track, to get, instant settlement, other attributes, which turns out really useful in lots of other use cases. But I think it is kind of this very interesting gateway that I actually think that many people, if they were thinking in a clear-eyed manner about their businesses, would be using more. And I think, frankly, should be using more.